Hello friends, warm welcome to this video. How to create a random sample in Excel. A random sample is generally used in the survey. You may think it is a daunting task to create a random sample, but it is very easy in Microsoft Excel. Let's see the steps. Open the Microsoft Excel program. Press the Ctrl+N keys on your keyboard to create a blank workbook. I am clicking on the cells and start typing some demo data. Now, right-click on this left column A. Click on the Insert from the drop-down list. This will add a new column A1 on the left side. Click on the A1 cell and type equals RAND, open parentheses and close parentheses, and then click on the tick mark in the function bar. This will generate a random sample. Select the cell of random sample and right-click on it. Click on the Copy option from the drop-down menu list. Select the range of empty cells below the random sample number cell. Press the Ctrl+V keys on your keyboard. This will create a random sample for your selected data rows. Please do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching this video.